Icy Strait Point. Wind is blowing and it's pretty chill. Pretty chill. That's the Viking Orion, of course. Oh look, they have a little shuttle bus. I'm guessing it's not for us. So we're going to walk across that bridge into the town. And I guess it's not really a town. Well, maybe it is. It's more of a tourist thing. Although there's a native village around here somewhere. And apparently they own the tourist thing. Oh, and it's a non-smoking city, town, tourist thing. Non-smoking. The whole thing. Don't do it. And you really should think about quitting. The ship. We're crossing this bridge. And you can see out there this wild container. And they're way in the distance. There's Snowy Out Mountains. Same with over there. Maybe you see them better. This is where the zip line ends, right here. It's too windy today, so it's not running. But it's like a mile long. Starts up there on the top of that mountain. 1,300 foot drop in elevation. And they say it goes 60 miles an hour. Maybe next time. I think it's $150 a ride though.
90 seconds, they said.
Yeah, and it lasts 90 seconds. Although it's a 40-minute bus ride to the top of the mountain to get on. Across from the ship, we're in Icy Strait Point in the Adventure Center. And there's the historic cannery and some restaurants and things like that. There's a gift shop here selling things. The tribal hoodie is $50. There's a map of Icy Strait Point. We're right there. Here's where we check in for stuff. Here's the waiver station. Here's a coffee bar. A latte. Cheaper than Starbucks maybe. So we're here in the Adventure Lodge at Icy Strait Point, waiting with these people to see our tribal dance and cultural legends included tour. So we didn't have to pay for this. It came with the price of the cruise fare on Viking Orion. So our tour has begun with our trusty guide.
Yeah. Well, actually not really a guide, you know, just guest representative.
I left the phone.
So, oh man, Janet left her phone in there. Here's some in the bushes. So we're gonna go into the tribal dance performance building and watch a tribal dance.
Our group is hoping to travel to an event in Fairbanks. And in Fairbanks, many native tribes from all around Alaska all gather together. They all share their songs and their dance like we have done for you all today. And so any donations that you may provide to help us all travel there will be very much appreciated. Thank you. Good old cheese!
The tribal dance. It was about 20 minutes long, let's say. Mostly kids. And now we've boarded these cool trams as if we were at Disneyland. Only I guess this is Alaska land. And now we're going to take a tour of the city of Hoonah, I believe. The tram is underway.
You're going to look to my left, your right. You're going to see what
Throwing
we
up
call
some
Fort
dust.
Frederick. They get people here. They call it Woodsgate. Woodsgate, the ground bear. This is our dance.
This is is the gas station for the town.
Guess how much gas is here per gallon?
$4.
Eight.
$3.97, so it's not that bad. We actually beat someone else on that one. That is the only place to get gas here on the island.
Some houses here.
Alright, and then coming up on my left, your right, this big white building, all the way down to Ace Hardware, ended up starting the fire, and all the houses ended up burning down.
So this is downtown
Back in
Hoona.
1944, there was something going on in the world that was called World War II. The United States was actually sitting
Not sure what the fisherman's daughter is.
and they reverted them up here. So all of these houses that you see with the tin roofs on them and the cement chimneys, those are all what we got here in the war
Oh, we're
homes.
turning.
And the only bad part about it is they were heading to Hawaii. And that means they were not insulated for Alaska. So a lot of these homes had zero insulation. We had to use newspaper, shirts, moss, and anything that we could find to stick in those walls to keep the heat in.
Tideland Tackle and Marine.
Up here, before we're coming up on,
It's
this
the
is gonna be
shipyard.
George Hall Harbor. George Hall all the way down.
The guides today have said 24-foot drop tidal difference. Right now it's almost high tide. So in 6 hours, that's all mud out there. No water. We saw it earlier. That's the boat harbor. We got off the tram again at the school. I think it's all grade levels there. But up there in that tree is a bald eagle nest. And I'll try to zoom in so that you can see it better. And over in one of those trees is a raven's nest, but you can't see it from here. But we're gonna go look at some totem poles. Totem. See them over there? I will tell you about them in a minute. Someone's staying over there for some reason. I want to get a good look at it. And I'm sure there's a story that goes with them.
Above the octopus side, around it, those are gumboots. Above the gumboots, we have a halibut. On the side of the halibut, we have the salmon eye. And then above that, we have hawktooth and hawktooth's child. And you see the big nose, that's to symbolize that hawktooth's wife.
These are nicely painted compared to the other totems we've seen on the tour, on the trip. It's one of the new churches.
And it will be erected on August 23rd in a big ceremony. It's going to be a traditional
And then the other
ceremony. We'll
church
actually get the people to carry the
is
totem
up
pole
on the hill on this side. It's a totem pole.
Put it up and sing songs and have a good time. This is our Icy Strait here. And as we're driving by these houses, you can look up and see the tin roof. That's because those are those homes that were sitting with us. We were talking here, right?
There's the other church on the hill there. And now we're heading back to Icy Strait home, leaving the city of Hoona.
This is one of the two bars in town.
Billy,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys.
he may be the best tour guide in all of Hoona.
I mean, I would say that too.
So will the people on YouTube. I might enjoy a look at the Icy Strait Point Company store in here. They have a bunch of things, and actually there's several stores in here. But this is the one you come to first. So you got that.
How much is this?
And you have mouse pads. I don't believe anybody uses those anymore, but dog paw salve, dog wash. Oh, okay. Moosey Chew, dog treats. Books, nature guides, survival bracelets, books, postcards, children's books. These hats are $16.95. Oh, they're soft inside though. Coffee cups. Clothes. Clothes seem a little expensive. This is $21 for a t-shirt. And $40 for a windbreaker. In Ketchikan, I think those are like $20. Although maybe they weren't as good, right? Some old equipment, filler, weigher. I think it's underwater viewer. Oh, that's an underwater viewer. You know, when you're up on the boat, you stick that in down in the water, and you look through here, and you see what's underwater. See that? I saw that in a movie before.
This is where they're slicing.
Yeah. Salmon Processing. I guess this is a little more modern one here. Flop. Oh, it's still alive. This may be too intense for younger children. Hey, what are you guys doing? I like the bloody knives.
And there's the 5 kinds of salmon.
5 kinds of salmon. Pink, coho, king, sockeye, chum. So, like I say, these are some other stores down here. Here's the kinds of salmon again. Because this was a cannery at one time. I think they said it went out of business in 1952 or somewhere in the 50s. Salmon dip. Look, if you want little Alaska maps on your food, you need some orca. And more store, and then we'll be out. In fact, let's walk out here.
It's the kid socks.
Cannery Dock. The Crab House. They have a Krabby Bloody Mary. So a Bloody Mary with pieces of crab in it. Boy, the water is clear. Hopefully you can see that. And around that point is the ship. So we're headed back for the ship. So that was our tribal dance and city tour. That's not what it's called. It had a different name. I'll let you know. In Icy Strait Point, aka Hoona, Alaska.
Port monkeys out.
Bye. So that's a little caterpillar running along. And I'm not going to pick it up because I don't know if it's poisonous or not. But it's weird. This is us leaving Icy Strait Point and the town of Una, Alaska. Off in the distance there on the left, you can see a Holland America ship heading to Juneau or Skagway, Haines. They're all off that way. Glacier Bay is over in there. Looks really nice out, and it is, but it's very cold, very cold. But I think we're going to do a 180 here, which is what we're doing. Head out that way and then make a left out to the open ocean.